We will be listening to segment parts of words. First, I'll give you the word. Then, I'll tell you which segment to leave out. Finally, you'll tell me what segment or segments are left in the word. Animal. Take away an. What's left? Imole. Fabulous. Take away fab. What's left? Less. Elephant. Take away L. What's left? Effant. Catalog. Take away cat. What's left? A log. Difficult. Take away diff. What's left? A colt. Finally, take away fine. What's left? A lee. Now it's time to try the rest on your own. The written words won't be there to help you, so listen carefully. Hurricane. Take away her. Benefit. Take away ben. Luckily. Take away luck. Paragraph. Take away pair. Circular. Take away sir. Happily. Take away hack. Manager. Take away man. Bulletin. Take away bull. Medicine. Take away med. Pyramid. Take away peer. Telescope. Take away tell. Editor. Take away ed. Violet. Take away vi. Quality. Take away qual. It was fun practicing with you. Keep listening for familiar parts and words. There are great things to listen to and learn all around you. Thanks for watching Whimsical Teacher Tube. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and press the bell for notifications.